The 2007 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydro-formed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, variable speed, intermittent wipers, power outlet, split bench seat, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, tires front all season, tires rear all season, rear bench seat. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.